Good morning, you guys. It's Miss T, and I am back with another B to the I to the D-E-O. That's right. I am back with another video. So this morning, I am sitting here drinking my coffee at my mom's house. I have been visiting with my mom now for about a little over a week, maybe a week and a half. And I am having my morning coffee right here on the side of the bed, y'all. So my mom would have a fit if she knew that I was drinking this coffee. So I am drinking this coffee on the side of this bed, y'all, to see if she watches my videos. Now, believe me, if she watches my videos and she sees me with this coffee, she is certainly going to say something. So let me go and give me a good little sip. And now we can go ahead on and get started. But anyway, y'all, I am getting up and trying to get my day started. Y'all see me with my glasses on. Honey, I usually never wear my glasses. I always wear my contacts. And the reason that I never wear my glasses, y'all, is you see how thick they are? Okay? They are very, very thick. So when I wear them to work and people see me with my glasses, they're all like, woo, you know, they just kind of be taken back. But y'all, I can't see nothing. And I'm not ashamed of it. You know, that's the way that the Lord made me. I'm just gonna have to deal with this for the rest of my life. But yeah, so my glasses are really, really thick. But anyway, I'm gonna be getting up in a few minutes, brushing my teeth, washing my face, getting my shower, and putting on my contacts so I can get back to looking like the Miss T that you all know. All right, so you guys, I am done getting my hair all together, y'all. I'm not gonna be wearing any makeup today because I just don't even want to have to deal with the makeup and having to take it all off. So as you guys can see, everything is I'm just gonna be all natural today, y'all. I'm just gonna be all natural. So I sprayed my hair, of course, with my distilled water, and I used my rose water today. You probably didn't see me use the distilled water because I had already kind of sprayed it a little bit when I got out the shower, and then I came back in with just a little rose water for the smell because my hair does need washing. It doesn't stink, but it has been like a month since I washed my hair, so I just decided that I would go ahead and, you know, freshen it up with the rose water. The rose water really helps for it to smell like really, really great. And yeah, I am getting low on this bottle. But yeah, I'm going to keep the bottle and just use it for like distilled water. It'll be easier to travel with than traveling with a bigger bottle. Like since I'm visiting with family and I came in my car, like I could just take a whole lot of extra stuff. But otherwise, you know, I'm just going to do it like this. Hi you guys, I am outside. I wanted to give you guys a quick update of what a 10-week 2-strand twist starter lock set would look like. So yeah, I just fixed my hair on the inside and you guys probably saw that clip, but I wanted to go ahead and let you see what it is looking like in a little bit of natural like. Yeah, so I do have a lot of frizz, y'all. I do have a lot of frizz, but you guys, as you guys can see, it's hanging very, very nicely. It's looking very, very good. Maybe I can kind of give you guys a better view. Y'all, I am filming for myself today because there is nobody here to film for me, y'all. Y'all, I have a free day. I have a free day. But I'm finna be getting out of here in just a minute. But anyway, this is what it looks like on a little bit of natural light. No sun. It's cloudy. But that's what we have, y'all. you guys, so I decided to make a quick pit stop along the way. I am in Louisiana now because you can buy alcohol, like the slushy drinks, through the drive-thru. So I decided to come over here today and treat myself to a drink. So I do not promote drinking and driving, y'all. I am really about 15 minutes from where I am gonna ultimately end up, so it is not going to melt before I get there. So I am going to have my little frozen drink. I've already ordered it. I ordered a small fuzzy navel, and I'm looking at the cups now, and I'm thinking I probably should have ordered something just a little bit larger because y'all, it's real teeny tiny. Okay. Do y'all take cards or just cash?
Yes, ma'am. Take cards.
All right. Get you this. All right, y'all. So I have it. And it's, as y'all can see, it's real tiny, but they have some much bigger ones. But y'all, I don't need that much because, like, I'm going around my family and I'm not trying to get like super intoxicated. I'm just trying to, you know, just kind of lighten my mood. I've been driving for like an hour and a half, y'all. We got to go back across that river to get back onto the Mississippi side. So we will be doing that in just a few minutes as soon as she brings me my car back, y'all. It was raining. It's supposed to be like really bad weather in this part of the state tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to make my way back over to where I came from on tomorrow. But hopefully the weather won't be too bad. Thank you.
You're welcome. You can park this way if you want.
I will. Thank you. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna stop right here. We're gonna go back across that bridge. Hi you guys, so I made it to my destination, y'all, and I am sitting in the yard right now drinking on my little drink, y'all, which seems to be enough. It tastes pretty potent. But anyway, I am about to get ready to get out of the car, y'all. It's been quite a long ride, yeah, even though it was only like maybe an hour and a half, and then I prolonged it by going across the river. It made it about 2 hours. So yeah, but anyway, I'm just ready to get out the car. So you guys, it is midnight and I realized that I didn't get a great outro today. So yeah, I didn't really record my family a lot because it wasn't a lot of us here this afternoon. It was a few of us here, but it just wasn't a whole lot of us here. And the recordings that I had were kind of recordings that I wanted to kind of keep for myself, so I'm not going to post them here in this video. But anyway, you guys, I want to thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to like and comment on the video and to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.